Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. My name is Hanmant Ladwa, and in this video we are going to write a C program to interchange the value of given two integers. Let us begin with the preprocessor directives. Hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, void main, and then we'll write curly open brace, and here we are going to declare all the necessary variables. So I'm going to declare int. I'll take three variables. One is a and the second one is b, and the third variable I'll take it as temp, that is temporary variable. Now we are going to write clr scr function, and then now we'll write printf statement. In this we are going to ask the user to enter two numbers. I'm going to write enter two numbers, and I'll write /n and put semicolon. Now we are going to receive two values of both a and b using scanf function. So here we are going to use format specifier in a double quotation mark. Both of these two are integer type. That's the reason we are going to write %d and %d, and the double quotation mark, put comma ampersand of a comma ampersand of b and put semicolon. Now we are going to print them before interchanging them. So we'll write printf statement, and in this we are going to write before interchanging a is equal to, end the double quotation mark. Otherwise you can write here %d, and b is equal to %d, and now we'll write /n, end the double quotation mark. And now we are going to put comma, and here we'll write both the variable names a comma b and put semicolon. Now we'll go for interchanging values using third variable. So what is the logic behind it? Using temporary variable, here you will write temp is equal to a is equal to b, and b is equal to temp. We'll take example so that we can see how exactly the interchange of values takes place. Next we have to print the values after interchanging using printf statement. Here in a double quotation mark I'm going to write after interchanging a is equal to %d and b is equal to %d, and end the double quotation mark, put comma here a comma b and put semicolon. Now we'll write get ch function and curly closing brace. Now when we compile and run this program, it will ask the user to enter two numbers, right? So it is going to display enter two numbers. So next the cursor will come down over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to enter 10 and 20. So what will happen here? A receives 10, B receives 20. So this particular statement it is going to display. So what it is going to display? Before interchanging a is equal to, so it will be printed as it is. Here you can see it is a format specifier %d associated with variable a. So a is what? 10. So it is going to display a is equal to 10, and b is equal to, it will be printed as it is, and %d is associated with this value stored in b. So what is the value stored in b? 20. So that is b is equal to 20 will be displayed. Next here these three statements will interchange the values of the variable a and b. So let us see how exactly it is going to work. So I'll write temp is equal to, what is the value of a? That is 10. So 10 is assigned to temp. Now I'll write the second statement, a is equal to b. What is the value of b? That is 20. Next the third statement is b is equal to temp. What is the value of temp? Temp is 10. Now you can see A value earlier it was 10 and B value was 20. Now A value is 20 and B value is 10. Now we are going to print this particular statement after interchanging. So I'm going to write it over here. After interchanging, A is equal to, here we have got format specifier percentage D that is associated with value A. What is A now? A is 20. So here I'm going to write 20 and this and B is equal to printed as it is. I don't have space to write over here. I'm going to write it down. Here B is equal to, here it will be and B is equal to percentage D associated with value B. What is the value stored in B now? Now it is 10. So it is 10. Earlier A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. Now you can see here A value it is printing 20. A is equal to 20 and now B is equal to 10. So it is interchanged or swapped. Let us execute this program. For that I will take you to my laptop screen.
Here I have already written the program to save your time. In a single line comment, I have written the purpose of the program and I've already saved it with .c extension. Now let us compile this program by pressing Alt F9, and here you can see it is showing success. There is no syntax error. I'll press enter, and now we are going to enter Control F9. We are going to press, and here you can see it is asking enter two numbers. For example, I'm going to enter 10 and next number is 20. Now I'm going to press enter. Here you can see it is showing before interchanging A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. After interchanging A is equal to 20 and B is equal to 10. I hope you understood this program. Please write understood if you understand this program. If not, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you.